Pappy. Pappy, look. You gonna have her having a seizure, Pappy. You can't scare her.
Don't do that.
You scaring her, Pappy. You can't scare her like that. That's my baby. No. That is my baby. Give me sugar, Rita. I told Pappy you can't, that's your friend. You can't make her scared like that, Pappy. You make her sick. That's still my baby. You my Pappy, see, I told you. That hurt. That hurt her. Look at her. Yeah, you scared her. You can't scare her like that. No, Pappy, don't do that to her. No. Don't cry, Rita. Stop crying. Stop crying, Rita. Don't cry no more, baby. Stop crying. Hush, baby. Don't cry no more. Stop crying now. Don't cry no more. Don't cry no more, baby. Pappy gonna stop. Pappy, are you gonna stop trying to scare her? Don't scare her, Pappy. She likes you. That's your friend. She's still scared. I know she's scared. I know it's your friend, but you making her scared. You can't, don't make her scared, Pappy. She loves you.
Pappy.
Hello. Talk to Rita and be nice to her. Talk to Rita and be nice to her. Why are you calling her that? I want you to be nice to her, Pappy. Talk to her and be nice. This is your friend.